Hey, tonight I'm gonna make myself some homemade McRibs. I made McRibs before. Remember when I ate the McRib last week, I said I couldn't make these at home. Then I remember I did make them. I made them with pork ribs in a pressure cooker. You can see that video. I'll put a link down there. Anyway, today I'm gonna make them in the meat toaster because my friend Brian reminded me I have a meat toaster. He told me to cook ribs in there, but then I'm gonna make McRibs. I'm gonna make McRibs. These are boneless. If you never saw my Ronco meat toaster, it's from Ron Popeil. Ronco! You'll have to see this. If you never saw it before, it's great. I'm glad Brian reminded me of it. And I'm gonna make McRibs. Boneless country style ribs, pork loin, just about 2 pounds here. When I open this up, I don't know if that's one solid piece of meat or if it's cut, but either way, it's going to be delicious. I got pickles, sweet baby rays. Get them out of the ways. Some club rolls. Well, classic all-purpose sandwich rolls. I figured that was about the size of that. Remember on the McRib, the meat stuck out a little bit. It was real good this year. I didn't get another one yet, maybe tomorrow. A couple slivers of onions, just like they do it. Let's open this meat and see what it looks like, and I gotta preheat the meat toaster. I'll show you. Come on over and look at this thing. It's cool. Okay, before I turn on the preheat, let me take out the inside part. This is the grill part. It's pretty neat, isn't it? See how it's a little thicker there? If you turn it the opposite way, it's real thin, like for bacon. But if you can go this way, I made a London broil in there already. A big, thick, 1.5 inch London broil. Okay, so 2 thicknesses. I'm going to preheat this for 3 minutes. Just one setting, and that's time. See? You'll hear it ticking. It's preset to about 400 degrees, I believe. In the manual, it didn't say the temperature at all. And it comes apart real easy. All these pieces slide out because I had it all apart today and cleaned it. And there's a nice drip pan down here. See? On an angle. It's nice. Okay, so let that preheat. Open this meat and see what it looks like inside. Maybe I'll peel this open over the sink. Looks like one nice piece of boneless rib. Should I cut that in 3s? I think so. Okay. Wow, you wait till you see this McRib. We're going to call it a Rick rib. Look at this. Ribs, see? Boneless. Oh boy. I'm going to make it just like the McDonald's McRibs. Just pat them dry a little bit. I think whatever seasoning I might put on there might roll off. Like I was going to paint them with some sweet baby rays. I might do that anyway, but it might roll down. But since it's hot, it's going to be seared pretty quick. The sauce, what do you think? Anybody have any ideas? I don't want to season it too much because I want to keep it similar like McDonald's.
Yeah, wait. Because it also might burn.
How about some rub? Some sprinkle on there.
Yeah. Rub or salt and pepper.
No salt on pork. Maybe, huh?
Okay, pepper at least.
But that's not like McDonald's. It's a little bit funny. Maybe I'll trim a little bit of this fat off. Just a little bit. Maybe. Just a little bit. It's good for you though. A little bit of this. Very carefully. Just a little bit. It's gonna cook up nicely. Well, that's your piece. It's nice and marbled in there though, see it? Too many cooks spoil their McRib. What does that mean? Preheated. Okay. Get the important part, the toaster grill. Make sure it's on the wide side. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. Just pinch this together. They want to squeeze up a little bit towards the top, but we're going to squeeze them back down. Look at it. Going in. You like that side or like that side? That side looks nicer. Stay in there. Right down. See? Do you want to look in? Oh, turn it on now. I'm going to go 20 minutes to start. Look. Let me see if there's numbers on that dial there. 10, 20, yeah, look. Okay. It goes up to 30 altogether. I put it on 20. Want to look again? Nice. I don't know if you can look down there. You want to look down there because you're curious? Can you see? There's a little nice clean toaster in there. A meat toaster. Right, Brian? So I'll look at it in 10 minutes. We want this to be about 150 degrees, I believe. Is that what we want?
Yeah, 155.
We want this to be about 155 degrees internally. And I'm gonna get my buns ready. Sauce can't really do much until the meat's cooked. But it's homemade McRibs. And if you don't have a meat toaster, you can do it on the grill, or in your toaster oven, in your frying pan, however you want to do it. Just get some nice pork like that. Heck, throw a pork chop on a hunk of bread. And I'm just gonna sliver this onion up real quick. Make it look like that. Okay. Meat toaster. It's a Ronco Ready Grill. Remember the Ronco Pocket Fisherman? Remember the Vegematic? Remember the Bag O' Glass? Oh no, that wasn't a Ronco. Right back. This is how we can sliver them easily. Look. Like that. Like that. And we get pieces about that size. See? That's about the size that's on the McRib. See? That's easy. Alright, starting to smell nice boneless ribs back there. Hors d'oeuvres. So I have here Vlasic Stacker pickles. I know the McRibs have little round like chips on there, but I'm going to slice these like this. And they're a nice thinness. This is going to be great for a sandwich. What do you think? I think so. Okay, I'm getting ready. Got the Sweet Baby Ray's out. Getting ready. It's been almost 20 minutes. We're going to take a peek at it soon. Feech! The dinger went off. You didn't hear the dinger. I'm going to take the temperature inside. I see the top is a little thicker. Let me get my thermometer here. Inside. Don't stick that in when it's plugged in.
151.5
That's pretty good.
degrees Fahrenheit.
But the top is a little thicker. I'm going to lay it down here. I'll show you. I'm going to lay it down here quick. I might rotate it. Look at this. Isn't that nice? Look at the back. Oh yeah. I'm just going to put the top side on the back and the back on the top. See what I mean? But I'd eat it right now. I'm going for another 10 minutes. Boy, it smells so good. Look Wish you could smell it. All right. 10 more minutes, Feech. Wait. Oh, don't make a mess. Juice is dripping out. Look at it, see? Healthy cooking. Remember, this is easy to clean. All right, let me clean up a little more. Don't burn yourself. 10 minutes. I'll be eating. Let me get my bones ready now. It's been another 10 minutes. I do believe they're done. Hey, it danged. It danged. Look at these beauties. Homemade boneless ribs. McRibs. Brick ribs. Beautiful. It smells so good too. Okay. Remember, this utensil is hot right now. Come over here. Well, I make the best McRib ever made in my kitchen. Let me sit down. Got my bun ready. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I want to say hi to my newest patron, Angela. Hi, Angela. And hi to Tyson and Mark, too. My beautiful, wonderful, helpful patrons. Look. Now, when they put their McRib in the microwave at McDonald's, I don't think there's sauce on it. When they get it out, they probably slather it up like this. Which piece do I want here? That piece? Can do this, can do this, see? Do that, do this, do that, do this. I might put two in one bun. What do you think? No, one's good. Oh, it's hot. I could slice it like that, couldn't I? I'm thinking too much. Hang on. Should I do this? Oh, it's so tender too. Look. Oh, what am I doing this? There we go. Oh, yes. Sweet baby Ray's. I need assistance. And then they put, remember the pickles were askew? Oh, it smells so good. It smells smoky. It must be that Sweet Baby Ray's now, right? Look at this. Ooh, and then, just like the picture, some slivers. Gotta be perfect. You know, gotta be a little stingy. Stingy, stingy. Perfect. Remember what they look like. Does it look like that? Look at this beautiful thing. I'm glad I cut it in half. Oof. And guess what? I know what's in this one. There don't have to be fake bones molded into it. It's very tender. And it tastes delicious. Anybody want one? Do you want one?
Oh, sure. If there's any left.
There's gonna be some left.
Oh, yeah.
We'll cut it like that.
looks delicious.
It is so good. You get a little bit of the onion, the pickle, sweet baby rays, a nice boneless rib. Okay, I did it again. Remember, in the beginning of the video, I said I made them in a pressure cooker once. I watched that today. That was pretty cool. I'll put a link down there. So you could do this in your pressure cooker. Or your meat toaster. Did you ever think you'd be watching a meat toaster when you woke up this morning? She said she might make steaks in there. Are you thinking about that for your...
I got some nice
For your
thin
channel?
steaks today at the store.
They look good in there, huh?
Yeah.
Evenly. Everything drips off.
I think it would be
If there's
great.
any fat in there. So good. I can't stop eating it. These onions are perfect too. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Try this. If you don't have boneless ribs, use pork chop. Right? I'm still going to get McRibs too, before they're gone. I keep saying that. Because I like them. It's such a different novelty, you know, that I have to eat them. But these are delicious. Alright. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Have a good night. Oh, so good. You're going to have one, huh?
Yeah, I am.
Bye.